on a rainy day like today, because the rain droplets, the sound of it resembles the sizzling sound. It's really close to sizzling. Koreans used to eat pancakes. The Korean pancakes, you know, like when they sizzle, they make the same sound. Or anything with warm broth. It's army stew today. It's called 부대찌개 in Korean. Literally, 부대 means an army base. I think it was when Korea was liberated from Japan. Some Koreans picked up the leftover meat that the army base threw away. U.S. Army stationed in Korea, and they made a soup out of that. So, it's a sad story. It doesn't look spicy at all, right? It's simmering right now. Let's get back to it later. It's starting to boil. It's becoming red. The reason why it's becoming redder is actually because it's this thing called 다대기. That's a concentrated sauce. This block of spicy sauce becomes, soft and comes together with the broth. That's why it's turning red. Of course, the Korea now is way different from Korea's like back in the days, right after Japanese occupation. We're a lot different, but one of the few things that links us to think about our past, one of those things is the 부대찌개. The older generation had ate this for survival, but now it's recreated. This is just one of the delicacies on a rainy day. Soju time.